Namaste children. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from Madhuban Saral Hindi Patmala, Class 5, Chapter 2, Raja or Navik. Raja means king, Navik, sailor. So this is a story about king and a few sailors. ब्रह्मपुत्र असम की प्रसिद्ध नदी है. So प्रसिद्ध means famous. So Brahmaputra is a famous river in Assam. इसके विशाल आकार के कारण असमवासी इसे ब्रह्मा का पुत्र मानते हुए नद कहते हैं. सो नद मीन्स नदी, रिवर. सो ड्यू टू द वास्ट शेप ऑफ दिस रिवर, द असमीज call this river as Brahma's Putra, which means Brahmaputra, which means Brahma's son's river. वर्ष भर इस नदी में जल रहता है. सो वर्ष भर मीन्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर water will remain in this river. बात बहुत पुरानी है. So it was the oldest story. ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी के तट पर बसा एक छोटा सा शहर था अभयपुरी. So अभयपुरी is a small city west on the shore of this ब्रह्मपुत्र. वहां के राजा ने एक दिन नौका विहार करने का निश्चय किया. So vihar means to make a short trip. Nauka vihar means trip on the boat. So the king of this place, that means Abhaipuri, the Abhaipuri king decided to make a trip on the boat. दोपहर के भोजन के बाद मंत्रियों के साथ ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी के एक टापू पर जाने का विचार हुआ. So the king thought after the lunch along with his ministers to go to an island near the Brahmaputra. राजा एक सजी हुई नौका पर सवार हुए और 5 मंत्री एक अन्य नौका पर. So the king, in a well decorated boat, he started his ride, and the 5 to 6 ministers were coming in the other boat. ठंडी ठंडी हवा बह रही थी. The cool breeze was flowing. राजा आंखें बंद किए लेटे थे. So the king was closing his eyes and he was lying down. राजा को सोया जानकर नाविक आपस में बातें करने लगे. So thinking that the king has slept, few sailors they were speaking with each other. They were mutually speaking with each other. आपस में means mutually. एक नाविक ने अपने माथे की पसीने पोंछते हुए दूसरे नाविक से कहा, देखो कैसा न्याय है. न्याय मीन्स जस्टिस. पोंछते मीन्स टू वाइप आउट. पसीना, sweat. So this one sailor, he was wiping the sweat out of his face and he was talking to the other sailor. See what justice it is. हम धूप में पसीना बहा रहे हैं. मंत्रीगण कैसे आराम से लेटे हुए हैं. मंत्रीगण मीन्स मिनिस्टर्स. धूप, the sun rays. So this sailor is talking to the other sailor. See, we are sweating out in the hot sun and how these ministers are taking rest. हम भी उनकी तरह ही मनुष्य हैं, लेकिन दूसरे नाविक ने भी हामी भरी. हामी means he also accepted to the first sailor's words. So see, even we are human being, but he was dragging his words. In the meantime, the other sailor, he was accepting to the first sailor's words. In a way, he said yes. राजा आंखें बंद किए हुए थे, लेकिन वे सोए नहीं थे. The king was just closing his eyes, but he was not sleeping. उन्होंने नाविक की बातें सुनी, लेकिन बिना कुछ बोले चुपचाप लेटे रहे. So he was listening to all the sailors' words, but without telling anything, he was just lying down. राजा ने उन्हें कुछ समझाने का निर्णय लिया. निर्णय लिया means to make a decision. So the king decided to make them understand the real situation. थोड़ी ही दूर पर एक टापू दिखाई दिया. So in a few distance he could see a island. राजा के नाव टापू के किनारे लगाने का आदेश किया. The king ordered the sailors to stop the boat on the shore of the island. दोनों नावें टापू के किनारे पर आकर ठहर गई. So both the boats, this means the boat in which the king was traveling and the boat in which the ministers were traveling, both the boat stopped near the island. राजा नाव से उतरकर टापू के किनारे किनारे टहलने लगे. टहलने means to walk. So he got out of the boat and he was roaming, he was walking in the island. थके हुए नाविक भी खा पीकर इधर उधर लेट गए. So the tired sailors, even they eat and they drank something and they lie down here and there. कुछ ही दूरी पर एक मंदिर दिखाई दे रहा था. So in a few distance, the king could see a temple. अचानक राजा को लगा कि मंदिर के निकट से कुछ आवाजें आ रही है. Suddenly the king thought that some noise was coming from the temple. ऐसा लग रहा था मानो कोई रो रहा है. So it seems that someone was crying. राजा ने तुरंत एक नाविक को बुलाकर कहा. So immediately the king called one sailor and told, जरा जाकर पता लगाओ कि ये आवाजें किसकी है. Just go and find out whose voice is this. नाविक राजा की आज्ञा पाकर तुरंत मंदिर की तरफ भागा. So getting the orders from the king, he immediately ran towards the temple. टापू पर काफी चढ़ाई थी. So this island had enough of climbing. So which means the island from where they are to reach the temple, they have to climb they have to climb to go to that place. वह चढ़ने हुए हाफने लगा. So while he was climbing, he took a breath. कुछ देर बाद नाविक लौट कर आया तो राजा ने पूछा. So a few minutes later, when the sailor came back, then the king asked, कैसी आवाज आ रही थी? नाविक, वहां कौन था? So what kind of a sound was coming from there? You sailor, and who was there? कुत्ते के छोटे छोटे बच्चे रो रहे हैं राजन. So the dog's small puppies were crying, king. नाविक ने उत्तर दिया. The sailor answered. कितने पिल्ले हैं नाविक? राजा ने पूछा. So how many puppies were there? The king asked. नाविक चुप रहा. So the sailor became silent क्योंकि उसने उनकी गिनती न की थी. So why? Because he didn't count how many puppies were there. वह उलट पाव भागा. So उलट पाव भागा means it's a मुहावरे शब्द which means he ran away again. दौड़ते हाफते वापस आकर बोला. So by running, by taking a breath, again he came and told, महाराज 5 पिल्ले हैं, 5 puppies are there. राजा ने फिर पूछा. The king asked again, उनमें से कितने मादा और कितने नर? So amongst those puppies, how many are female and how many are male? नाविक फिर चकराया क्योंकि उसने तो यह जानने की कोशिश ही नहीं की थी. So chakraya means to become nervous. So the sailor became nervous. Why? Because he didn't even try to know what's happening. वह फिर मंदिर तक दौड़ता हुआ गया और थोड़ी देर बाद लौट आया. Again he ran back to the temple and came back. हाफते हाफते आकर बोला, महाराज 2 नर और 3 मादा. So by having a breath, he came and said, there are 2 male and 3 female. राजा ने फिर पूछा. So again the king asked, नाविक, पिल्ले किस रंग के हैं? काले, सफेद या भूरे रंग के? So the king asked sailor, so is that the puppies are of which color? Is it black, white or of brown color? नाविक मुसीबत में पड़ गया. So he got into problem. उसने तो इसका ख्याल ही ना रखा था. So he didn't even care about the colors. अब राजा ने पूछा है तो बताना ही होगा. So now the king has asked, so he has to give the answer. ये सोचकर वह 4थी बार भागता हुआ मंदिर के पास गया और लौटकर बोला. So thinking that for the 4th time he ran back to the place and came back and told, महाराज 2 काले रंग के हैं और 3 भूरे रंग के. So 2 are of black color and 3 are of brown color. राजा ने अब नाविक से कुछ और न पूछा. So the king now he didn't ask anymore. नाविक ने मन ही मन ईश्वर को धन्यवाद दिया. So the sailor thanked God in his mind. बार बार मंदिर तक आने जाने में ही उसकी हालत खराब हो गई थी. So again and again going back to the temple and coming back in this thing itself is situation became very worse. He became very tired. राजा नाविक की हालत देखकर मन ही मन मुस्कुरा रहे थे. So the king, by seeing the sailor's situation, he was smiling within himself. अब उन्होंने अपने मंत्रियों में से एक मंत्री को इशारे से अपने पास बुलाया और बोले. So he called. Now what he did, the king called one of his ministers by giving a sign, and he called near him. मंदिर के निकट से कुछ आवाजें आ रही है, जरा इनके बारे में पता लगाकर आइए. So he told one of his ministers, some voice is coming from their temple, just go and find it, what is it. मंत्री राजा की आज्ञा पाकर मंदिर की तरफ चल गया. So getting the orders from the king, the minister went towards the temple. वह थोड़ी देर बाद लौट आया और बोला. In few minutes he came back. He told, महाराज, मंदिर के पीछे कुत्ते के पिल्ले आपस में लड़ झगड़ रहे हैं, ये उनके ही आवाज है. So king, there was few kids, few puppies were there who were fighting with each other, and this is the sound came from those puppies. कितने पिल्ले हैं? राजा ने पूछा. So how many puppies are there? 5. मंत्री ने झट उत्तर दिया. There are 5 puppies. So the minister immediately replied. उनमें से कितने नर और कितने मादा? राजा ने पूछा. So amongst them how many are male and how many are female? King asked. 2 नर and 3 मादा, महाराज, मंत्री ने कहा. So 2 male and 3 female, your honor, my king, मंत्री replied. किस रंग के पिल्ले हैं? मंत्री. राजा ने फिर पूछा. So these puppies are of which color? Minister, the king asked. महाराज, 2 काले रंग के हैं और 3 भूरे रंग के हैं, लेकिन इनकी माँ का रंग काला है. So king, 2 puppies are of black color and 3 are of brown color, but the mother dog color is black. ये सब पुजारी जी के पालतू कुत्ते के पिल्ले हैं, मंत्री ने कहा. So the minister replied, so all these puppies were being taken care by the temple priest and these puppies belongs to him. मंत्री से सभी प्रश्नों के सटीक उत्तर सुनने के बाद राजा ने नाविक की ओर देखकर कहा. So after attaining all the exact answers from minister, the king looked towards the sailor. मेरे प्रश्नों का उत्तर देने के लिए तुम 4 बार मंदिर तक गए. कितना परिश्रम करना पड़ा, ठीक है ना? To give me the correct answer, you went and came back to the temple for 4 times. How much hard work you need to put here, ठीक है ना? Is it right? और देखो, and see here, मंत्री ने एक ही बार जाकर सारी जानकारी प्राप्त कर ली. जानकारी means information, whereas the minister went once and attained all the information. आप समझे कि सभी मनुष्य होते हुए भी एक समान नहीं होते. So now you understand, everyone are human being but not equal. कोई शारीरिक परिश्रम कर सकता है और कोई मानसिक. Few does the work manually and few do it by their brain. सबकी बुद्धि एक समान नहीं होती. So everyone brains are not equal. इसलिए कोई मंत्री बनता है और कोई नाविक. That is the reason few becomes the minister and few becomes the sailor. हर किसी के कार्य का अपना अपना महत्व है. So they have, each and every person has their own greatness of the things what they do. जिस तरह तुम मंत्री का कार्य नहीं कर सकते, उसी तरह मंत्री भी तुम्हारी तरह परिश्रम नहीं कर सकते. So as you cannot do a minister's job, the same way a minister also cannot your hard work. इसमें न्याय अन्याय की कोई बात नहीं है. So there is no talk of any justice or injustice in this. नाविक को अब सारी बात समझ में आ गई. So now the sailor understood everything. उसने सिर झुका लिया. So he kept his heads down in a posture that he was accepting his mistakes. So that is all the story about. So I hope I've explained you line by line. So children, do well and read well. Thank you.